Hello guys, today we show you how to trade with Magic FX signal. Even for those who do not know technical trading can make a profit, just click follow signal from the program. If the channel to down trend line down or panel tail down, then you click sell. Okay? Although the price will bow up, you can click sell again. And in the panel I have tailing at 100 points. When you profit 100 points, tailing will work lot profit for you. And you have to put a lot sign in the panel. If not, program will not work. Then you just start from 1, look at 10, 2, find a good entry price. You have to waiting the price bow up and you click sell. That's it, it's so easy. Maybe you sell at the signal price, or if at all, sell at the resistance price. Click sell, working, trading working. Yeah, keep profit already. Yeah, that's right. Waiting the price bow up. Okay, so that takes so far that I cannot click on the resistance price. Price bow up. So yeah, waiting tailing working. Yeah, tailing working. Keep profit. Yeah. It's so fun. Sell more. Okay. Tailing working. It's like a game. If you use this program, you will love me, sure. Okay, now the market is currently in the sideways. If the market doesn't have trend, I don't trade. You too, don't trade. Be careful. Protect your money. Okay, if you have to trade, buy or sell, you have to show in trend. Okay, keep profit. Sell more on signal price. Keep profit. Yeah, that's like good job. Now the sideways market. Keep profit. Keep profit. Channel continue to down and down. Tailing working. Yeah, good job. So fun. So easy. Okay, waiting the price bow up. Sell. Sell. Sell on signal price. If bow up, can sell more. Tailing working. Yeah, tailing working. So, if you want this program, I will give you free if you open an account and deposit 1,000 US dollar. Contact me now. I will send link to you. Okay. If you open an account and deposit already, I will give this program all to your email. Okay, finally I have to apologize if my English is wrong. Okay, and we will say goodbye with last profit. Okay, product profit, bye bye. I hope you come to make a profit together with me. Bye bye. Bye bye.